In this video, I'll break down the top 5 metal detectors and which metal detector I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best metal detector and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Hunter TK4. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels with automatic ground balancing that adapts to varying soil conditions, ensuring stable performance across beaches, parks, and mineralized terrain. Its 3 detection modes, all metal, full discrimination, and tone discrimination, allow flexibility in target identification, while the waterproof 8-inch coil enables shallow water searches. The two-tone audio system distinguishes between metals, helping users prioritize valuable targets without excessive digging. Adjustable sensitivity and discrimination knobs fine-tune depth and specificity, with optimal settings achieving reliable detection of coin-sized objects up to 6 inches deep. Lightweight and ergonomic, its durable construction withstands rugged outdoor use, making it ideal for extended hunts. Though lacking advanced target identification, the TK4's simplicity and reliability make it a standout entry-level detector, particularly effective for uncovering coins, relics, and jewelry in diverse environments. At number 4, we have the Nokta Simplex Ultra. The Simplex Ultra excels as a versatile all-terrain detector, fully waterproof for submersion up to 5 meters, ideal for freshwater beaches and rivers. Its lightweight carbon fiber design enhances portability without sacrificing durability, and the 15 kHz operating frequency improves sensitivity to small gold jewelry and relics. The included Bluetooth headphones provide wireless convenience, while adjustable iron volume control reduces distractions from unwanted targets. 6 preset search modes, including beach and park, simplify operation for beginners while offering customization through manual sensitivity and ground balance adjustments. Target separation stands out in cluttered areas, reliably distinguishing valuable finds amid trash. Respectable depth detection reaches up to 10 inches for coins in optimal conditions, complemented by a rapid recovery speed that maintains efficiency in high-traffic sites. Though saltwater performance requires careful sensitivity tuning, its reliable build and intuitive interface make it a strong choice for both casual explorers and serious hobbyists seeking a robust entry-level detector. At number 3, we have the Garrett Ace 250. The Ace 250 excels as a lightweight and intuitive metal detector, ideal for beginners seeking reliable performance without complexity. Its preset search modes allow immediate use for coins, jewelry, or relics, while the electronic pinpoint feature simplifies target recovery. The waterproof coil handles damp grass or shallow water, and the ergonomic design balances comfortably during extended hunts. Users appreciate the clear LCD display with depth indicators and adjustable sensitivity for filtering unwanted signals like bottle caps. Though not waterproof, the control box resists glare with a lipped edge, maintaining visibility in sunlight. Durable construction withstands regular outdoor use, and interchangeable coils add versatility. While it struggles near other detectors, its accuracy in identifying buried metals, from modern coins to iron relics, makes it a practical choice for parks, fields, and dry beaches. At number 2, we have the Minelab Equinox 800. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its versatile multi-IQ technology, enabling simultaneous multi-frequency detection for reliable performance across diverse environments. Its lightweight waterproof design handles beach hunts up to 3 meters deep, while preset modes like park, field, and gold simplify adapting to different terrains. The wireless Bluetooth headphones provide clear audio without lag, and the 12-hour battery life supports extended sessions. Users praise its sharp target separation in trash-filled areas and sensitivity to small gold nuggets in mineralized soils using high-frequency gold mode. The intuitive interface balances beginner-friendly operation with customizable settings for advanced users, including adjustable recovery speeds and manual ground balance. Rugged construction ensures durability during rough use, complemented by a responsive 11-inch coil that maintains stability in wet conditions. While mastering its range of frequencies requires practice, the Equinox 800 consistently delivers depth and accuracy, making it a top choice for hobbyists and seasoned detectorists seeking adaptable all-terrain performance. At number 1, we have the Garrett AT Max. This is the best metal detector you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and stands out with its seamless wireless audio and all-terrain reliability, making it a versatile choice for serious treasure hunters. Built to withstand harsh environments, it's fully submersible up to 3 meters and handles saltwater beaches or mineralized soils effortlessly thanks to advanced ground balance technology. The Detector's 13.6 kHz frequency excels at locating diverse targets, from tiny gold nuggets to silver coins, with impressive depth and sensitivity. Its true all-metal mode maximizes detection range, while iron audio helps distinguish valuable finds from unwanted iron debris. 4 customizable search modes adapt to various hunting scenarios, and the intuitive interface allows quick adjustments mid-hunt. The rugged design feels durable enough for extended use in wet or dusty conditions, backed by a stable battery life that lasts through long sessions. Wireless Z-Link headphones eliminate cord hassles, and the backlit screen ensures visibility in low light. So that sums up my top 5 metal detectors I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.